So nowadays many don't have a smart TV in their home. But if you don't have a smart TV, a normal LED TV, don't worry. This Amazon Fire TV stick is there to save your day. With the help of this Amazon Fire TV stick, you can turn your normal TV into smart TV. So let's find out the components, the first installation setups, and what are the first impression about this Amazon Fire TV sticks. So ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish, Chaharji, technical Chaharji. So let's get started with the video. So this is the Amazon Fire Stick, and over the box you can see the different kind of application it can support. It can support the Netflix, it can support the Amazon Prime, Geo Cinema, Firefox, Root. YouTube is also included but not been included over the box. And on the side you can see that it is for 1080p. This is not a 4K Fire Stick, this is the 1080p. Dolby Audio, quad-core, Wi-Fi enabled, your NDTV, TVF Play. This package includes Amazon Fire TV sticks, voice remote, two AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender cable, high-speed internet with Wi-Fi needed, and TV with HDMI input, and tens of thousands of musics and TV shows. Next gen Alexa remote voice control. Do more with your Fire TV. Alexa find thrillers, rewind 30 seconds, play Seinfeld. You can even control this device with your Alexa device, which is again a great thing. And on the side you can see the different kind of packaging, and over the price over here is around 4,000 rupees. So let me just quickly take out the package and just show you that what are the components over here. So as soon as you take out the box, you're able to see a black box. So this is your input for to power on your Alexa devices. This is the slick remote, and this is the batteries over here, two AAA batteries, and this is your normal Alexa. So these are the first components over here, and over here you're able to see the icons, what you can do. This is the usual menus with how you can connect it and how you can easily use it with your any normal TV. This is again a great thing, and here is your connecting wire. So a good amount of lengthening wire is given, which is again a great point from this Amazon Fire Stick. And what is this? This is your HDMI connectors. If you don't want to directly connect it, you can even connect it with the help of this HDMI connector. So let me just connect it to my TV and show you the later part of the video what are the first settings you want to do and how easily you can connect it with the TV. So I've connected my Fire Stick to this HDMI port 2 over onto my TV, and you can see the power wire I've connected to my external source of power. So now I'm doing the first setup over here, and let me just take you to the front of the TV. So once you plug into your TV, you have to select the HDMI cable, whether it is the port 1 or port 2, and with the help of that you can now, I'm going to select my HDMI 2, and you can set up your Alexa over here. So there is no TV information. So as you can see on the setup, is showing me the Alexa device over here in the various languages, whether it is Chinese or the searching for your remote. Place the remote closer to the Amazon Fire Stick and press the home button. So this is the home button over here, which I'm going to press it. So again the information has been changed to another language, and let me just came back to the English mode so I can read you the full what are the instructions is showing me. So right now it's showing me in the Portuguese, into the Netherlands languages. You can hear the beep sound as well. That is searching for the Alexa device. So again it came into Chinese. So this is a good point that Alexa supports the various languages. So let me just press the home button for 10 seconds over here. So now it says the Fire TV stick, press this play and the pause button to start. I'm doing it right now. I can choose the languages. So right now I'm choosing the languages to India.
scanning for networks. So right now it's searching for my Wi-Fi signals. So right now the first one is showing me the various kind of Wi-Fi networks there. I'm selecting mine, and now I'm going to post the password over here. So after putting out the password, it's connecting to my Wi-Fi signal. We have to again wait it for a couple of networks. The connection is successful. The password is correct. So the Fire TV stick is now checking for updates. Maybe the update of the YouTube has came over here, and I think it's going to do the setup for that, and it's downloading the latest software. So finishing updates. So a quick update to the Fire TV stick. If you first install it, it can be any sort of update. We are just waiting over it. Just make sure that you don't plug out your Fire TV stick. So it says sign in with your Amazon account. I already have an Amazon account, so I'm just pressing it over here. So again, it will ask me for the Amazon login ID and password. So after putting your password and the email ID, it is registering your Amazon Fire TV sticks. So it's now successfully registered. So it will show on your Fire Stick account. Your Amazon Fire TV stick is registered to my ID, which is Manisha, and you want to use this account. I will select continue. So save Wi-Fi password to Amazon. Will be set to Amazon to connect your compatible devices. I will say that in my future I'm going to use the Alexa devices, so I think it will be yes, okay. So your Fire TV stick is designed with kids and parents in mind. So this is the parental control. I've not been able to set the now parental control because I don't have any kids that I think will be doing any sort of illegal activities on my Fire TV sticks. So preparing your remote for setup. So we're playing music during the next step. Please make sure the volume is turned up and then continue. So let me just show you the volume of the TV. It's already been turned up to, let's say, 30 over here, and I'm going to press next. Your Fire TV remote is now successfully set up. So
welcome to your new Fire TV stick. Using the Alexa voice remote, easily get to all your favorites from Netflix, Prime
this
Video,
is the demo which they're showing it right now.
So
the demo has been stopped, and after the demo you can see they select all of the apps you want and then download them at the end. They are all free to download. Some apps might require payment for full access. So let me just get started and let us show. So it's coming with your Hotstar. Yes, I want Hotstar right now. So I'm going to select it. Woot. Yes, I want Woot. Yep, TV I don't want. Sony Live I don't want. Sunnext I don't want. Any TV I don't want. So let us go over here. Heroes Now. No, I don't want. Zero Cinema I don't want. Hangama Ghana. Not right now. Maybe later on I can do. TVF. Yes, it provides us a great show. I want a TVF app over here. And that I don't want. All Scoop Whoop. No, I know. And Firefox, definitely I want a Firefox. Woot for kids, no, I don't need it. And Kids First, no. Next Gen TV, no. And Zenga TV, no. I'm just going to press the next button over here. So it will ask me for the following will be added to your home screen. I will say okay. And the apps will be downloaded and just finishing it. So it says that manage and monitor your data and consumption of Fire TV sticks. I will say that don't enable it and don't alert me. I will set up later. So there are the terms and conditions. I am pressing continue. So my home screen is currently now set up. You can see the Amazon Prime Music, your Amazon Prime videos, your top movies which you can play. And this is my apps which I can simply use it. Internet, Amazon Music, Heroes Now. So these all are the things. So that's all for the first impression of this Amazon Fire TV stick. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all in the next one.